Today we will discuss about the magnetic property of material. Our chapter is going on shorting materials. Class 6th. Date is 28 20. Topic is magnetic property of materials. Today we will discuss a magnet is a substance that attracts piece of iron and substance made of iron. Based on this attraction towards magnet, materials are classified as magnetic or non-magnetic. So there are the two types of the materials. One is the magnetic or second is non-magnetic. The property of a magnet to attract certain matter is called magnetism. The property of a magnet to attract certain matters is called the magnetism. Material that they get attracts towards a magnet are called the magnetic property. Magnetic materials. Magnetic materials, there are the magnetic property. There are the two types of the object materials. One is the magnetic. Material. The materials that attracts towards the magnet are called magnetic material. What is the magnetic material? The materials that attract towards the magnet are called magnetic material. For example, iron, cobalt and nickel. These are the example: iron, cobalt and nickel. Second is non-magnetic material. What is the definition of non-magnetic? The materials that do not attract towards the magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Second non-magnetic materials, the materials that do not attract towards the magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Example, wood, plastic, rubber, cloth. These are the examples of non-magnetic. There are the two types of the materials. One is the magnetic, second is the non-magnetic. Magnetic materials, the materials that attract towards the magnet, are called magnetic materials. Example, iron, cobalt, nickel. Second is non-magnetic materials, the materials that do not attract towards the magnet are called non-magnetic materials. For example, wood, plastic, rubber, cloth. Now we are performing activity. I having this magnet. This is magnet, you can see. Okay. I am bringing this rubber. It will attract or not? It will not attract. Okay, I am taking this safety pin. I think this is made up of iron. It will attract or not? Oh, it will attract. It is magnetic materials. I am taking one leaf. This is also magnetic and non-magnetic. Now you see, it will not attract. It will stuck. It will not attract. It will not attract. It is the non-magnetic materials. This is the duster, but it is having magnet inside it. From the plastic, it will not attract, and from here it will attract. So inside this duster there is the magnet. I think it will get struck. No, it is not. So I am making one table. You will tell. Here I am drawing serial number, material, magnetic, material, और non-magnetic material. We have taken leaf, we have taken rubber, plastic, and we have taken safety pin. Now you tell, leaf. Leaf is the magnetic material or non-magnetic material? Leaf was attracted towards the magnet. I think it was not attracted towards the magnet. So it means it is the non-magnetic material. Second is, we have taken rubber. It will attract the magnet? No, it will not attract by magnet. It is also non-magnetic material. We have taken the plastic. Plastic, it will not attract towards the magnet. It is also non-magnetic materials. we have taken one magnet inside the plastic. That is, we have taken another magnet we have taken. It is magnetic material. Yes, it is magnetic. And safety pin, it is also attract towards the magnet. It is magnetic material.